This is Downtime by Raquel Welch. She comes in many different colors. This color is shaded Golden Wheat SS 1488. That shaded is that beautiful rooting texture through darker roots through here. And then she moves into this beautiful blonde highlighted color. Super beautiful color. This is a synthetic piece. She is Raquel Welch's longest synthetic hair to date, with cascades of beautiful waves. She comes styled like this, ready to wear right out of the box, or you could take a wide tooth comb or even your fingers, comb through these waves a little bit to loosen them up. Or if you like these beachy, little more formed waves, this is how she comes right out of the box. I'll give you a little look around. She does have a lace front, so you get that beautiful natural hairline. And one of my favorite things about Raquel Welch's colors is she puts these face framing highlights through here, which are really beautiful on-trend highlights. She does have a mono top section through here, so you can change up that part if you prefer a side part or center, and you'll still get that really natural hairline. I'll give you a little look around the cap construction. Here's a look at that lace front section right through here with that nice thick lace for that natural hairline. She then moves into this monofilament top right here, so you can change up that part and still get that natural look. One of my favorite Raquel Welch caps are these hand-tied, 100% hand-tied caps. They're so comfortable if you have a sensitive skin. I really find that this one is very comfortable and easy on the skin. Here's a look at the felt-lined ear tabs with a little bit of wire in them for a secure fit. Here is a look at that soft felt at the nape of the neck with these discreet adjustable tabs right here, so you can customize that fit. Downtime is available to shop now at HairWeavon.com.